Bakit? Nalalamig ako.
Si ano pangalan niya? Si Alma ba yun? Naliligaw din kasi yung...
Kasi kumain nandiyan.
Ayun, naka-SUV.
Bakit ikaw lang?
Ayun.
Edad na, anak niya wala.
Julia, seryoso masyado.
Sino? Oh, yan? Oh, may kanin din pala rin. Ito pala, oh.
Nadali. Well, pizza.
Paano ko lang?
Kasi ngayon, medyo sabi ko din naman maasin pero masarap. Kaya?
Uy, puto. Ang puto.
Cute.
Puto.
Para sa dinuguan.
Jane, you gotta make sure it lets go.
What you do? Don't jump. Really?
Oh my god.
Really? Juliet. Wow!
I have my passport towel.
Masayaw ka pa.
37.
May sayaw ka pang nalalaman.
It's called
There's no
Wow.
music eh. Yung isang apo niya, yung isang loose.
Busog na, busog.
Uwu. Oh my god, uwu.
What's next?
Hi!
Hi.
Mga babaeng Pilipina.
Babae ng Pilipinas.
Ito yung ano, sikat na. Oh.
Sikat na ba? Na-YouTube mo na ba?
Magpa-autograph tayo nito. Magpa-picture nga tayo sa kanya.
Ay, dalawa silang sumikat eh. Sumikat siya.
Sumikat sila.
Lola mo, gumaganyan pa.
Si Lula. Ano?
Pala to, na, gumanyan pa lola mo eh.
Si Pangko, nabitawan ako sabi ni Katal, bitawan yung anong pagtingin. Si Dorothy, kita ako nagtawa.
Celebrity na si Lula
Si
eh.
Dorothy nalaglag, muntik na ngayon. Muntik na daw yung naglag yung wipers.
Nalaglag daw yun ano na, pantalon.
Tingnan, siguro, pagka kita siguro ni ano, ni sino yan? Sabi ni Girlie, sabi niya, hindi ko nakita si Lola na ganyan.
Happy, happy, happy birthday.
to ano?
Oh,
O, sige na.
happy
Happy-
birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha!
Oh, blow, blow, blow. Shin, alis na. Ano hinihintay mo?
Nag-wish pa ako eh.
Ay, nag-wish ka pa ba? Okay. Oh. Yay!
I think I know what he's doing.
Ginalaw mo ba yan?
I think I know
Ginalaw mo?
what he wished.
Binago mo, no?
Hindi, ano ko lang.
O, see? Binago mo nga.
Inikot ko lang kasi
Can I get a piece of chocolate? Can I get the
Okay, let's eat.
Parang
You want
hindi
the
naman
biscuit,
maganda yung
please?
pagkaano mo. Ulit
You
nga.
want the biscuity? I don't want to eat. I want to eat chicken only. Happy birthday.
Music again.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wala man lang ako katabi dito.
Yay!
Cha-cha-cha.
Wala man lang ako katabi. Lonely.
Forever.
Yay!
Kainan na.
You want biscuity?
What?
Alisin mo yung kamay mo.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Yan.
Spaghetti. Not spaghetti.
Yun lang handa.
I took video. Wait.
Everybody there? Maraming tao.
Or chicken wings with shrimp fried rice, that's good. Good. Beef and broccoli with a little white rice, that's good. Chicken chow mein with a little white rice, that's good.
Vegetable.
I need a couple of egg rolls in my neighborhood, that's good. Okay. Good time rama, large like Big Mama. Keep 3 girls on the couch like old drama.
This is better with salt. Oh, my stomach hurts. Hi. It's going to hurt you. Oh gosh, it's turning hot. Oh my god.
You go there.
That's how you say hi.
Kami lang dalawa.
Meow.
Mga pahinga na.
What you saying? I'm saying meow as in hi.
Not shaking, you're shaking.
That's because I'm walking.
Oh, you're dancing.